Okay, Paul, can you hear me? Let's start our discussion now, Paul.
Yeah, we can start. Sure.
So we have completed our client-less SSL VPN, and
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
we can focus on full client,
client.
full client SSL VPN. Please wait 5 minutes. I'm creating topology.
Sure. The video is not shared yet. The yesterday and
Your
the
session
last
video.
week.
Your session video. Your
Yesterday.
tomorrow session video, right, Paul? Yesterday.
Yesterday and last Thursday. Yeah, last Thursday.
Thursday, I think 2nd March and 6th March. So yes, 6th March and Thursday, it's a 2nd March. So Paul, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Please check now drive, okay?
Okay, sure.
Please check. Now we can start our discussion, our configuration on full client SSL VPN. So I have a same topology. If you remember previous session, so I'm using same topology, but the lab as today is called full client. So let's try to configure this Cisco Asa firewall first. I'm trying to configure IP address on management port. Okay.
Okay.
This we can configure through graphical page. Show interface IP brief. So let's configure. So interface management port. Name if MGMT IP security level 50 IP address 199.199.199.1 mask no shutdown HTTP server.
This management port also can configure in AAC, right?
Sorry.
The management port also can configure in the graphics ASDM, right? So, before that, okay, got it.
See,
So
first
we need to have a, okay,
first time you need to configure.
connection
By default, there is no any IP address on management port.
Okay, okay.
In Cisco ASA, in case if you are working with Palo Alto firewall box, so on Palo Alto we have a predefined IP address on management port.
Okay.
On Fortinet we have a predefined IP address on management port, but on Cisco ASA you need to configure manually. By default, there is no any IP address.
Okay. What about this FTD also same as
No.
ASV?
On FMC and FTD, yes, we have a default IP address.
Okay.
On FTD, FMC, yes, we have a default IP address on management port, and you can change it. But on Cisco ASA, you need to configure manually. Clear?
Clear.
Yes. Now HTTP and 199.199.199.10 can manage MGMT username admin1 privilege 15 password So like a clientless SSL VPN full client configuration is very simple through graphical page. Okay, let me show you. 199.199.199.1 username is admin. I'm admin1. I'm using password admin1. Paul, tomorrow and say 8 and 9. Okay. Here's a holiday, holy festival.
Okay.
So we will continue our training from 13 now on Monday.
Okay, 13.
Yes.
So just now you shared 2 videos only for evening session. So the morning session.
Morning. See, yesterday there was no session on morning. Okay.
Okay. Then what
And
about the last Thursday, second March?
And see, today students are not available. Okay.
Okay.
They're celebrating Holi, so they're not available. So I didn't take the session today.
No, the last Thursday, 2nd March for day session.
2nd March. I will check and I will upload and then send it to you. Okay.
Okay.
I will check first. If there is any session, I will share.
Okay.
Admin 1. Oh, username is admin. Password is admin1.
The class timing 5:30 or we can 6 or which one generally we hold?
See, actually, I have a batch right now, but I will push it at 4:30 to 5:30. So from Monday or from Tuesday, we can start at 5:30. Okay.
Okay, Monday
No problem.
onwards.
No problem. Yes.
Okay.
Actually, I have a FTD batch before your batch. I have a FTD batch, so it's take time to start and close devices.
Okay.
That's why it's taking time. So the batch will finish at 5:30. So, but to close this session, turn off all the devices, it will take time. That's
Okay.
okay. Let's configure interfaces here. So as per our topology, gigabit 0/0 and 0/1 I'm configuring. So interface is inside security level 100, enable interface IP address 200.200.200.1 and mask 255.255/20.
No, the mask sense. Okay, correct. Yeah.
Click on OK, click on OK. We can select this checkbox. Yes, it is enabled here. Let's configure 0/1 now. So it's the outside interface. Security level 0, enable interface, IP address is 10.1.23.1 and /24. Click on OK, click on OK, click on apply. We can configure default routing also. So let's push this configuration. Now you can go on to the routing. You can click on static route. You can select IP version 4. And I'm creating entry for outside network. So any network, any mask, gateway is 10.1.23.10. Click on OK. You can apply and push this configuration. Clear? Any problem in basic configuration?
No issues, no problem.
Okay, now we can start our full client SSL VPN configuration. So you can go on your firewall box. You can click on wizard. You can click on VPN wizard. And today we can focus on full client. It's called any connect VPN wizard. You can click here. If you click, you can see you need to create this type of topology like outside machine and remote site. So yes, we have the same type of topology outside machine and remote site. So click on next. Now it's asking for connection profile name. So I'm giving a name, a full client 1 or full client VPN. I want to apply VPN on outside interface. So VPN access interface is my outside interface. Now you can click on next. Now here is the option, Paul. You can decide you want to configure through IPsec option or you want to configure through SSL VPN. Now it's up to you. Clear my point?
Yeah, clear.
Into this topology, see, our focus is on SSL VPN configuration. So you can uncheck this option. You can uncheck this option. Now you need distal certificate. So we don't have any certificate. So we can generate self-signed certificate. Your firewall can generate self-signed certificate and can act as a local certificate authority for outside machine. So you can click on manage. You can click on add. You can click on add a new identity certificate, generate self-signed certificate, act as a local certificate authority, click on add. So we are sending these commands. You can click on send, enrollment succeed, click on OK, click on OK, click on next. Now you can add client image. What is client image, Paul? See, outside user is required VPN client application, right? To establish connection. Maybe he don't have a VPN client application, maybe. So you can provide a VPN client application through portal. You can provide VPN client application. For example, outside user is trying to establish connection with Windows machine, or maybe he's trying to establish connection with Mac OS. So you can click on add. And right now into this topology, into this lab scenario, you can see if you verify disk information. So here we have Cisco AnyConnect application. See, AnyConnect for Linux, AnyConnect application for Mac OS, AnyConnect application for Windows. So into this topology, we are working with Windows machine, right, Paul?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
So yes, we can select this package. So let's create user account also right now. So username, VPN1, password, VPN1, privilege 15. Let's create another user account, VPN2, password VPN2. Now you can browse your flash, and yes, I'm trying to select any connect for Windows from disk. You can click on OK. You can click on OK. Done. You can click on next. Now authentication method. So for authentication, we are using our local database because we have two user account, right now.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Two user account. So we are using local database. Okay, wait, right now it's not going to flash. Let's cancel this. Let's create any connect. Next, it's called full client SSL. Click on next, SSL, and digital certificate. We can add image, any connect Windows. Now you can click on next. Now we are trying to use local database here, local database. So otherwise, if you have radius attack X, you can click on new. You can click on here, you can click on new, and you can select this option. It's up to you, Paul. I told you in previous session.
Yeah,
So
yesterday.
if you want to create an entry for radius, TechX, or LDAP, you can. But right now for testing, we are using local database because we have some user account in local database. Click on next. Now click on next and see IP address pool. So if outside machine, see, if outside machine will establish his connection, once he will establish his connection, so he will get an IP address. What you can do, see, LAN side, we are using 200 network IP address, right?
Yeah.
So same series of IP you can provide to this outside user. So he will feel like he's in a private network. Okay.
Okay.
So you can provide IP address because once he will install VPN client application, a virtual LAN card adapter will installed. So if he's trying to establish connection, he will get an IP address from the range, from the pool range. See, here is the option IPv4 address pool. So you can click on new and you can give a name, for example, pool1. Start IP address. So LAN subnet, I'm using LAN network range. I'm using 200.200.200.150, 200.200.200.160, mask 255, 255, 255.0. Click on OK. Click on next. Click on next. If you want to set DNS IP address, you can, but I'm not using. Click on next. Click on yes. Okay, let's choose, for example, 8.8.8.8. Click on next, click on next, click on next, and this is the configuration. If you click on finish, you can get all configuration information. This is the configuration you are trying to push into your ASA. So CLI is little difficult, right?
Yeah,
That's why we are using graphical page for VPN configuration. You can click on send. You can push this configuration in Cisco ASA. Done. Now what you can do, let's configure this inside router first. Okay, wait, let's configure this inside router. Hostname web IP address we can configure on fast Ethernet 0/0 255.255.0, no question down. Let's configure gateway settings. So IP route any network with any mask 200, 200, 200 dot. Now from outside, I can initiate my traffic. So wait, this will take time. So let's configure here this router for web server. So I'm trying to enable IP, HTTP, IP, HTTP server, enable server, IP, HTTP secure server. Now username, user 5, password, user 5. You can provide privilege here, password. Privilege option is available here, 15, password, user 5. Now IP, HTTP, authentication local. So this inside router is ready. So we can try to initiate our connection. So web service is enabled, but you can enable other services. For example, telnet, line VTY 0 space 4, login, local, because in local database, we have a user account, Paul.
Yeah, correct.
So and for line VTY, we are using login local. Now I'm trying to initiate my connection, my traffic. Wait. So you can verify here onto this outside machine, we have VPN client application. So I'm trying to uninstall it because I'm a new user, Paul. Okay. I want to download VPN client application from portal, for example. Okay. Right now we have a VPN application. If you want to connect, you can connect now. Clear? But let's uninstall this application.
Okay.
I am trying to uninstall this application because I want to show you the fresh configuration. So let's uninstall this. Uninstall Cisco Asa Connect. Uninstall. So we don't have any application. If you search Cisco Asa Connect, so we don't have application, any connect application. Clear now?
Okay.
So I'm trying to install. Download this application. So wait, let's restart this outside machine first. Okay, Paul, can you hear me?
Yeah, I
I
can
don't have
hear.
any VPN client application, so I'm trying to download first. So I have a portal access, for example. Okay, I have portal access. So HTTPS colon, this is portal IP address, which is provided by my administrator or my company. So I can access my portal 10.1.23.1. Once you can hit on, once you will hit onto this portal, so you need to log in. Wait, let's verify IP address configuration. Maybe some, let's check IP address here. 23.10. Okay, perfect. No problem. IP address is good. Okay, so click on advanced, click on proceed, and now you have portal access. See, full client SSL. Paul, remember
Yeah,
connection profiling. So username, we are using VPN1. Password, VPN1. You can log in. Once you will successfully log in, so you can see you are getting a page to download this, right?
yeah,
So I'm trying to download this VPN client application. So new user can access portal, which is provided by company. Okay, once he will access the portal, he can install VPN client application, and once he will install, then he can establish. So this is not a VPN connection. Right now, we are trying to install application. VPN1, password VPN1. Any connect application block by security setting. Okay, Paul, see,
yeah.
any connect VPN application, you can click, you can download, and now you can install. Paul, can you hear me?
Yeah, we are downloading from the
Portal, yes,
ASA.
yes,
Yeah,
from portals. It's a exe file, yes, because
okay,
this is for Windows, so we are using exe file. For Linux, I think it is a PKG format.
okay.
Welcome to Cisco Any Connect Secure Client Setup. So you can click on next. I accept next. Installation is very simple, just like a normal application. You can just click next and finish. If you verify IP address information right now, this installation will take time. So let's verify other information. If you check IP address information right now, Paul, so you can see we have IP address on our physical interface, right? On our Ethernet adapter card,
Yeah.
10.1.23.10. So once you establish your connection, so once you install this application, you can see this LAN card is installed automatically. One virtual LAN card adapter will install automatically, Paul, once you install this application. Clear?
Okay.
And you can see right now there is no any IP address. If you type IP config, there is no any IP. You have a default, you have IP address only on your Ethernet port. So you can open your Cisco Any Connect application. Here you can provide IP address. So 10.1.23.1. I'm trying to hit onto this public IP address. Click on connect. If everything is okay, so I will get a prompt for username and password. I will get connection profile name information. Remember connection profile name, full client SSL.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, we are getting some issue. Untrusted server block, no problem. Change setting. So block connection, no, just uncheck this option. Now we can connect. Connect anyway. See, connection profile name, full client SSL, right?
Okay.
Username is VPN1, password VPN1. You can click on OK. If everything is okay, so it will connect. Please wait. Password is VPN1. What is password? Username. VPN1, VPN1, password VPN1. VPN1. Let's try to access with 2. VPN2. Okay, I'm facing problem. Let me check. Show run username. So we have admin user account and admin user account, VPN2 and VPN1. Let's try with admin account, admin password, admin1. Okay, okay, what is the issue? Username, admin3, password, admin3, privilege 15. Let's try with admin3. It's a full client SSL, admin3, password, admin3. Okay, what is the issue? Let's initiate our connection again. So disable. Connect anyway. Username is admin3. Password admin3. Let's try to connect. Ten dot one dot 23.1. It's good. Show route. Yes, we have a default route. Any connect 10.1.23.1 is okay. Continue anyway. VPN 1, VPN 1. Let me check the configuration. We have full client, user account information. We have only admin. What about other user account? Why it's not available? Paul, wait, okay? Paul, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Paul, can you hear me? Please wait.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I'm creating a user account here. Wait. So user 7, password user 7, full access everything. Click on OK. Apply. Proceed. User 7, everything is good. Send. Now all user account are available. Okay, let's try again this time. So user 7, user 7, user 7. What is the problem? Please wait. I'm trying to restart my laptop again.
Okay.
My PC again. I'm trying to initiate connection again, Paul. Okay.
Okay.
Connection to the server may result security compromise, security risk. Connect anyway. Username is VPN1. VPN1. Setting is good, but why I'm facing issue? Okay, let's try one more time. Otherwise, we can do this lab on Monday, Paul. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Let's try one more time. Maybe I need to delete this image and I can add a new one. But let's try again. Configuration is perfect, but okay, let's continue this lab, Paul, on Monday. Okay, it's not
Yeah,
finished. I will show you with new firewall box. Okay, Paul.
Okay, sure, no problem.
So tomorrow, 8 and 9, there is no any session.
Okay.
We'll continue our
So
topic
continue on Monday.
Monday. Okay.
So at
And
the same time as 5:30 or
yes,
6
and see,
o'clock.
this next week we will finish our ASA training. Okay.
Okay.
Next week, 13, 14, 15, 16. In 4 days, we can finish our ASA training. So from 20, we can start our FTD
Okay.
on same time.
So okay, like next week you may send the the course outline, like what would be
For
covered.
FTD. For FTD.
FTD, yes.
See, I'm sharing all the slides. Okay.
Okay.
I will share all the slides on Monday. All
Okay.
FTD slides, everything, all the data, and I will create your account on rack also, because FTD lab you cannot perform on your laptop
Okay.
because only FTD is required 16 GB RAM and FMC is required 8 GB RAM. So only these two devices are required 24 GB RAM in machine.
Okay.
So that's why what I can do, I will create your account on rack. I will provide you public username, public IP address, and one username and password so that you can access with your laptop or with any laptop.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
I will tell you. I will help you
Okay,
how
sure.
to access this rack. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Let's continue our session on Monday, Paul.
Monday, sure. Thanks.
Bye. Take care, dear.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.